nail polish, and they are natural and ready to go on our vacation. So I just want to tell you that I started 3 days ago using rosemary water because my hair falls so much in the last period from stress, and I want to switch more to natural product and natural remedies just to take care of my hair and just to maintain my healthy of my length, because I cut my hair like I show you in my recent video, but I want now just to maintain my healthy length and just not to have so much hair that is falling. I think it's because stress and some period I have a lot of hair falling. In the last year it is my first time that I struggle with this, but like I mentioned, I have a stressful period and my hair have a lot to deal, bleach and hair colorings and stuff like this. I am so pleased with the Joy Comfort treatment, but it has a lot of non-natural ingredient and sulfates and other stuff like this. Maybe I will stick with this one time for a month. I will use it, but I want to switch to more natural product. I find it from Kalia, a good shampoo with very good ingredient. I checked the label of the ingredients on Inside Decoder or something like this. I will put the link down below, and there you can find if your product has bad ingredient and good ingredient and other stuff. They have a lot of product on their website to just check the ingredient. The shampoo from Kalia was very good, but strange of good. They have only good ingredient, not only bad ingredient. And I was skeptical because when you use only natural ingredient, you have to use it very you can make your shampoo last a long period of time because their ingredient will expire. So I try to find good shampoo with more natural ingredient, but also with some ingredients that are medium, not so bad and not so good, just to preserve their qualities. I find something from Kiehl's, but I want to check more, or from Shea Moisture. But I will research more, and I will think of the product that I want to buy. So this is for my hair. I will keep you updated if I have a result good or bad, or any type of result. I want also, when I come back from our trip, to use rosemary water on my final wash. I have made some rosemary with apple cider vinegar. I will insert here my video of how I do it. I put on the fridge, and after 2 weeks it is ready to use, just in time after we came from our vacation. I bought these sandals with natural leather. Are very comfy, and I struggle a lot with my shoes, so I find it very hard. This is a classic model, white sandals, very soft leather, and this piece where you put your feet is very soft, and hopefully I will feel comfy in them in our vacation. It's our pack day. At night we go on our trip, and I put myself some oil on my lamp, some jojoba oil, argan oil, I guess, I don't know. I have made a mix of them a couple months ago, and I have a small bottle with a pipette, and I just put on my lamp. So I'll stay like this maybe 2-3 hours until I will wash it. By this I do some snacks for our trip, and I will beginning to pack our clothes and what we need. So I will take you with me to show you what I will brought in our trip with us. So stay with me. So it's time to pack for my boy's clothes. So I just take out all of his clothes, and now I will sort what clothes I should take with us. For myself, I try to put some outfits just to know every day what I will wear.
You got me, baby.
packages are done. Now all I have to do is to wash my hair, do a good shower, and relax a little bit, because we have a road of 8 or 10 hours of driving. So hopefully all will go well, and I will see you when I will arrive at my vacation destination. Till next time, bye bye guys.